Hey you guys, Jesse here with Summit 4x4 Company. This week's product review is going to be on the Rugged Ridge Heavy Duty Spartacus tire carrier. Anytime you go over a 35-inch tire, it's highly recommended to strengthen up that spare tire carrier. One of our favorites here at the shop is the one that we've got installed on this JK. It is good up to a 37-inch tire, which is exactly what's on here. As you can see, it's super sturdy. You're not hearing any rattle from it. Most swing outs, they do have some type of rattle to them. I'm going to walk you guys to a couple that we have here on the lot, kind of show you what I'm talking about. This one here has a swing out. You can obviously see there's some wiggle on there, a little bit of rattle going on. We'll go over to this next one over here. So again, you can see the movement, hear the rattle on this one as well. Another one over here. And that's pretty typical. We see that on most Jeeps. So come on over here. I'm going to tell you guys some of the benefits on this heavy duty tire carrier. So the Rugged Ridge Heavy Duty Tire Carrier, again, does hold up to a 37-inch tire. It is a die-cast aluminum hinge. It is a single pull, which is really nice. So you got a one pull feature to open up the tailgate here, whereas on those swing outs, it's a two pull feature. You got an adjustable third brake light here. It does come with a 5-year warranty, and Rugged Ridge makes them available for the TJs, the JKs, and the JLs. They're available here at Summit 4x4 Company. We're located at 402 East Sheldon Street in Prescott, or you can pick them up on our website at summit4x4company.com. Thanks, you guys.